Welcome to Kaumudi Global. The world was in a crisis when the calendar turned to 2021. The COVID outbreak, which broke out in 2019, is still having its indefinite hold as we move on to another year. Different from the global lockdown that all nations experienced in 2020, 2021 gave a bit of relief as many countries gave relaxations to the strict lockdown. However, with new variants and an increased number of cases, people around the world are still moving forward with lockdowns and curfews, with the epidemic still having its hold. As we move on to another fresh year with hopes and aspirations, I am Adira AR taking you to a quick look back at the major developments that happened in the world in 2021. On January 6, US was shocked to see as Capitol was attacked by a mob of Donald Trump supporters to overturn his defeat in the 2020 US president election. On January 13, Donald Trump became the first American president to be impeached twice. On January 20, Joe Biden took charge as the 46th President of the United States of America. At the same time, Kamala Harris rewrote history by becoming the first female and South Asian Vice President. On February 1, Myanmar's military overthrew Nobel Peace Prize winner and State Councillor Aung San Suu Kyi and other democratic leaders, taking power into their hands. The military imprisoned her for retaining the power by becoming victorious in 2020 election. A state of emergency had been declared in Myanmar for 1 year by then. On March 7, Prince Harry and Meghan Markle made accusations against the British monarchy on Oprah Winfrey's TV show. On March 15, Pope Francis said that priests cannot bless same-sex unions, saying God can't bless sin. On April 15, Indonesia saw the most devastating cyclone since 1999. Named as Seroja, it hit East Timor and Indonesia, killing many. On May 13, Israel-Palestine violence flared up in Gaza. In the Israeli airstrike, 31 children and 20 women were killed, 950 wounded. Over 2,000 rockets were fired at Israel from Gaza. After 2 weeks of fighting, on May 19, Israel and Hamas agreed for a bilateral ceasefire after diplomatic negotiations that happened on the international front. On May 22, Democratic Republic of Congo experienced a volcanic eruption after Mount Nyiragongo erupted. In June, Brazil became the second place in the world to be infected with the coronavirus, killing 500,000 people. All the empty areas of the country were turned into cemeteries. Brazil is still the second country in the world after the United States to have the highest number of death counts. On July 7, Haitian President Jovenel Moïse was shot dead after commandos stormed his house overnight and opened fire. His wife, First Lady Martine Moïse, was hospitalized with serious injuries. On July 9, the US declared June 2021 as the hottest period ever in US history in a span of 27 years with a temperature of 72.6 degrees Fahrenheit. The flood in Europe was another event that shook the world. Extreme levels of flood danger were announced in at least 3 places on the eastern border of Germany and Belgium. There were 229 deaths, including 184 in Germany, 42 in Belgium and 2 in Romania. From 23 July to 8 August 2020, Olympics was held in Tokyo, Japan. The United States won the Olympics. India finished in 48th place with 7 medals. On August 14, Haiti saw a massive earthquake, killing hundreds. On August 15, Taliban entered Kabul and took over control of Afghanistan. Afghan President Ashraf Ghani fled from the country. On August 30, the US completed their withdrawal of troops from Afghanistan, and this marked the end of the 2001-2020 war in Afghanistan. The country's name was later changed to Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan. On October 26, Japanese Princess Mako married her non-royal boyfriend, leaving the royalty forever and declining the lump sum amount from the royal court. On November 12, United Nations Climate Change Conference COP26 was held in Glasgow. On 24th November, the corona variant B.1.1.529 variant as Omicron was reported from South Africa. Coming to December 6, Aung San Suu Kyi was sentenced to imprisonment for 4 years initially, later decreasing the term. On December 13, Harna Sandhu from India was crowned as the Miss Universe 2021. On December 16, Typhoon Rai hit the Philippines, causing torrential rains, landslides and violent winds. On December 17, Kim Jong-un completed 10 years as North Korean president, marking the death anniversary of Kim Jong-un's father. Korea banned laughing for 11 days. On December 31, the US saw wildfire burning hundreds of homes and displacing thousands. With disasters, political uprisings, allegations and celebrations amid the epidemic, a new year welcomes us. Wishing you all a prosperous new year ahead.